The first one is f minus g, and they give you both of those functions. F of x is function f, and f of g is function g. And you have to subtract the two functions, and then you have to replace the x with 4 and solve. So there's a couple things you have to do for number 7. So get out your paper and pencil and jot down f minus g. Remember to put your functions in parentheses. It will help you to keep your negatives in the right places. And on a subtraction one, it's going to be easy to mess up your negatives. So when you write it out, it should look like this. Notice the negative in the middle and the parentheses. That negative in the middle is going to affect the signs of both terms in the second factor, or the second function, because you have to distribute that negative. So when you do that, the 4x squared stays the same because there's nothing affecting the 4x squared. Minus 9 stays the same because the negative is after that function. But when you take away the parentheses, the 2x becomes negative 2x, and the positive 3 becomes minus 3. Let me show you. The 2x became negative because in the parentheses the 2x is positive. And the 3 became negative. In the parentheses it was positive. Once you have them written out like that, now you combine all your like terms so that you have one combined function. So you have 4x squared. Nothing adds to the 4x squared because there's nothing else with an x to the power of 2. And that's what it means to be like terms, to have the same power. Minus 2x minus 12. When you combine all your like terms, that's what you should have. Now it tells you, and this would be part of your answer. Okay, when it asks you to combine the two functions, that's your combined total function. I can't see a thing, can you? That's your combined total function. Then it asks you to find the value of the function given that 4 is the input value. So you're going to replace the x with 4. And then solve. 4 times 4 squared, and you have to do the 4 squared first, so it would be 4 times 16 minus 8 minus 12. What do you get? Which function goes inside the other function? It's important for you to be able to plan this properly, because if you put the wrong one inside of the other one, then the whole thing's going to be wrong. So you have to know that the f goes inside the g. So you find the f, which is 2x minus 4, and you're going to put that whole function, 2x minus 4, into, it's not 2x minus 4, I'm looking at number 5. F function is 4x squared minus 9, and it goes into the g function in place of the x. So, if I were to put parentheses in place of the x, the g function says 2x plus 3. So I just put big parentheses in place of the x, because that's where the f function is going to go. So I replace that big space with 4x squared minus 9. Okay? Because I took the f function and put it in place of the g function. Alright. Now we're going to multiply or distribute the 2 times the 4, and the 2 times the negative 9. So 2 times 4 is 8x squared minus 18 plus 3. With me? My camera thing is frozen. I can't tell if you can see that or not. Hopefully you could see that. Now you combine like terms, and you get 8x squared minus 15. That's your combined function. Then you have to put a 3 in place of the x. 8 times 3 squared minus 15. You square the 3 first and get 9. 8 times 9, 72, minus 15 should give you, hopefully gives you, with any luck, gives you 57. Alright, 2 down, 2 to go. Hopefully these are making sense to you. Number 9, f times g. You're going to use your parentheses again. 4x squared minus 9 goes in the first set, times 2x plus 3. Alright, there we go. Looks like that. And you should have enough FOIL skills to be able to multiply those two functions and come out with one polynomial. So I'm going to do it, you're going to do it, and then we're going to compare stories. Pause if you need to, because I might go a touch faster than you. Who knows? Maybe not. Alright. Here's what I got. Hopefully you paused. Don't look too soon. If you look there, you'll see the f for FOIL. The f is 2x times 4x squared, which is 8x cubed, minus 18x, which I actually didn't do FOIL, I did FILE, because I did the inside next. 2 times negative 9, or 2x times negative 9 is negative 18x. Then 3 times 4x squared is 12x squared. And 3 times negative 9 is negative 27. Then you don't have any terms to combine, because there's nothing alike, but you do need to put it in standard form, which has descending power values. So 8x cubed plus 12x squared minus 18x minus 27. That's your combined function. Then you need to put the number 5 in place of all the x places. So it'd be, if you want to type this into your calculator, I will tell you what to type and you type it in. You type 8, open parentheses, 5, close parentheses, caret, or to the power of 3, plus 12, open parentheses, 5, close parentheses, caret, or to the power of 2, minus 18, open parentheses, 5, close parentheses, minus 27. Enter. You should get 1,183. If you didn't, rewind, try it again, make sure you can type this in properly.